Once the building design is finalized, all project data is automatically transferred to the production line. The process begins with the formation of steel profiles. Each element is individually labeled, eliminating the risk of mistakes during assembly. The profiles are then moved to the assembly table, where the wall frame is built according to the design specifications. After that, the frame is transferred to the fastening station, where it is connected using self-tapping screws or rivets. Next, the frame moves to the sheathing area. Depending on the project requirements, various sheet materials are used: cement-bonded particle board, drywall, or other locally available options. Sheet installation is carried out automatically. A robotic system precisely fastens them to the frame using screws. The panel is then flipped and transferred to the next table. Where all necessary utility systems are installed: electrical wiring, plumbing, and mounting hardware, all strictly according to the project. After that, a second layer of sheet material is applied. This forms the external shell of the panel and completes its structure. Then, the robotic system begins fastening. The sheets are automatically secured to the frame with screws, following the programmed layout. The assembled panel is placed on an intermediate table, where it is raised into a vertical position. It is then transferred to the next station, where an operator manually attaches it to the lifting mechanism. Using this mechanism, the panel is moved to the module assembly table. At this stage, all panels are connected and fixed together, and any remaining utility systems are added according to the design. The completed module is placed on a transport cart, which moves it to the conveyor that leads to the foamed concrete mixing and filling station. The filling process is supervised by an operator, while the concrete mix itself is prepared automatically. The system monitors all parameters and ensures consistent quality. Once filled, the module is placed back on a cart and moved to the curing area, where the foamed concrete solidifies over 6 to 12 hours, depending on material properties. After curing, the module is transferred to the final preparation zone. Here, all finishing and final work is carried out: surface patching, installation of windows and doors, application of protective coatings, final hardware installation, and full connection checks. Once these tasks are complete, the module is ready for delivery. Before shipment, each module undergoes a thorough quality inspection, is labeled, and loaded onto transport according to the building's assembly sequence. This approach ensures fast, error-free installation on the construction site. Using this automated line greatly increases productivity, maintains consistent quality, and reduces overall construction costs.